Welcome, ladies. It's Coach Gonzalez here, and welcome to Ousley Junior High. Welcome to an interesting new way to enter into school year this year with virtual learning. Trust me, I know that you have anxieties, we have anxieties as well, but we work together and we'll all get through this together. If you have any questions with how virtual learning works or anything, just please shoot me an email or in the chat box, and then we can help each other out with this. I'm going into my 13th year here at Ousley, but it feels like my first year because we had to learn things all over again with virtual learning. I went to Ousley in 7th grade. In '97, when the school first opened up, I was a 7th grader at Ousley, and I went to 7th grade and 8th grade, and some of the teachers are still at Ousley that I had. I went to East Central University and played soccer from 4th grade all the way up through college. I just have a love for sports in general. I love coaching it, watching it, being around sports. I love spending time with my dogs, which you may see running around here in a little bit in the videos, or you may see them while we're doing virtual stuff. You'll see my dogs running around. I love working out, try to work out every single day through either stuff at the house or through Camp Gladiator. But I love working out and helping other people get in shape as well, which I hope to be able to do with you this year, with you setting goals for yourself, nutrition-wise and getting in shape-wise. And just love being outside. Just anytime I can get outside, that's my happy place. That's what puts me back into a good mood, especially during the pandemic and all the stressful time. Anytime I can get outside to just calm back down, that's what I like to do. And love spending time with my family. Love being around them any chance I can get. Around my nephew who loves to swim in this pool right here behind me, along with my dog who likes to jump in every once in a while as well. So whenever you get a chance, just let me know what a few things that you like to do or what you like to do to calm down and to get refocused, and hopefully we can have a great school year this year with learning together how to do this virtual learning.